And moving over here to the charts looking at the S&Ps, you can see we touched that trend line, had the huge bounce, and then we pulled back 4.38% to the downside here. We threw wicks to those levels that we talked about. And you can see we touched this low back here from August as well, touched that level and caught a pretty solid bounce. We're in this kind of consolidation range here. So did what we expected. We rallied into the zone of resistance. You can see we had indicators in here, and then we broke through there, gap down, and ended up falling. You have to say this is still a little bit bearish, at least in my opinion. You can see it here on the short time frame. Rallied up, super aggressive, hit that key 200, couldn't quite get to the trend line there. And then looking at that hourly chart, and then looking at the hourly levels, you can see the key level I had there was the 517.12 level. Touched that, ended up holding it after wicking the 55-hour EMA. Bounced here kind of in the middle of the range. 524.84 is the kind of chopping zone here right at the high of that wick from the Tuesday session. So for me, I think you could argue this is a little bit neutral, but realistically we're coming off of a clean rejection from a zone of resistance. Did hold some support. Looks like a lower high setup here, and I would expect this to go at least a little bit lower tomorrow. Maybe you chop sideways, that would make sense as well, but I still lean towards the bear side here.